Make that shit look good in the bitch. Boy, you did delete half your shit. Get your bitch ass on, boy. You ain't no real ass YouTuber, nigga. You won't even. I mean, I ain't deleting shit. All my shit is in my. Go look at it. I don't delete nothing. No, I don't give a fuck. Somebody get on there and want to scope. We gonna scope it out, and you still gonna be on my live. You damn. Let's get this bitch going. Anybody pop out, rock out. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm about that. We can roast this shit up. I'm about that. You dig? I love that shit. That's why I be laughing at these motherfuckers. Oh man, it's like that was the best live though, y'all. They were. Oh, I love that shit. But see, if I would have popped in, I already know they want to block my ass and shit. Flag me, hide me and shit. So I just like to look at this. I think gonna delete it though.
My cards again.
Okay, y'all. Okay. This is my card. Okay. Birthday daddy love. Birthday love. Check it out, y'all. What? Look at that, y'all. It don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that. You did. You see that artwork, y'all? That's artwork. It is not called you little poke thing. You see that, y'all? Look, she know I like Doritos. She got my Doritos in there, y'all, with the Cool Ranch. Cool Ranch code. Okay, yeah. You see my cake? You see my cake, y'all? What? Yeah, that's love. Yeah. Uh-huh. Look at that. Ta-da! And that's all the see daddy, all the what? Man, that's love right there, y'all. I don't get no better than that. See? That's what I'm talking about. Bam. Bam. Y'all don't see that? Yeah. Ta-da.
Now me.
Oh, Lord, the oldest one be acting like the littlest one. What mean? What mean?
Let me read it.
Okay. Good Lord. Crazy girl. You can't you jealous of your little sister.
No. I'm just saying.
You be jealous.
Now let me read one.
Okay.
The part I wrote.
Okay, well you better read it to me then. Okay. Talk to me.
Happy birthday, Big Head. I love you so much. You always know how to cheer me up and make me laugh. Have a good birthday, Dad.
Hey, that's me. That's me. Bam. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that card? That's a pretty card. That is so pretty. You didn't see what I say? Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a dad dance.
Mommy said she gonna with her card when she cleaning up.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. That's love. You did. Boom, bada bing, baby. Happy birthday to who? Not donor. It's a daddy, not donor. You did?
Donor?
Yeah, uh-huh. Check it out, y'all.
What is trash thing?
Check it out, y'all. No cap. That's what you call happy birthday to me.
That is trash.
Okay, but come on, man.
Alright, Mommy said she gonna come with your room in a minute.
Oh, I thought you said you were.
No, Mommy done.
What's up with it, y'all? What's up with it? Yeah, y'all see that birthday card? Yeah, for me. Hey, happy birthday to me. Yeah, pop out, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Hey, if it ain't live, it ain't me. Ain't shit changed, y'all. Man, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna keep my live going, y'all. What the hell this boy done did? Y'all know this boy tripping now. Big homie block. Boy, what the hell you doing painting your damn nails? You look a damn fool.
Think about the good times. That's what the
Oh, shake it ducky, y'all.
You scared to read that one out loud? You want to see her to read it?
Ta-da, y'all see my another pretty card. Ah, nah, 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 nah. Oh, shit. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, come on, CC. Oh, shit, she got a lot of them. Shit, I'm not gonna hear all this, girl. I'm trying to chill. She got a whole lot of them. Shit, goddamn. What you thought you did? Shit, I just thought I was gonna look at the card and get some money. She wrote us some. This a big card. Shit, this a goddamn poetry. I was just trying to look at the card like, oh, look what I got, y'all. No, this car got